Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. Another lovely day here in Preston. Today I'm going to show you around our transit van and then take you for a ride in it. But first I'll tell you a little bit about the vehicle. It's a Ford Transit Custom 2 litre TDCi 300 L1H1 Trend. It's 2019 on a 68 plate. It's done 11,653 miles, one registered owner. It has about 27 months of the Ford warranty left. It was first registered on the 12th of the 2nd, 2019. Fuel economy, urban is 40.9, extra-urban is 48.7, combined 45.6. Top speed of 99 miles per hour out of a 103 brake horsepower 16 valve engine. Height of the vehicle is 2,000 millimeters, width is 2,272 millimeters, and the length is 4,973. I'll just show you around it. So it's finished in an unusual blue metallic. It's a really nice colour. It's absolutely mint. You've got front parking sensors there. We've just put a brand new set of Ford wheel trims on that they really finish it off. The side protective mouldings along here. You've got power folding door mirrors. Side loading door there, bulkhead. It's got a really thick, easy clean line in there, and it's also ply lined as well. The twin solid barn doors here. As I say, you can also open the doors out like so. Like so. So you can get a forklift truck up to the back or reverse up to a loading bay. Just put these back here. And we also get quite a few inquiries about how long these vehicles are. So there you go, there to the back door is just over 8 foot, probably 8'2" to the centre, but 8 foot to the edges, and I believe that's quite important. So width here, so that's what 67 inches to there, but in between the wheel arches it's 52 inches and 64 up to here. That's 59 inches. Just shut everything. And take you for a ride in it. Really nice van. 2 keys here. Very comfortable. Great seats. It's just we've got a front central armrest here, and also we've got this that kind of just folds down. Just move those to the side. Cup holders, somewhere to put your Yorkie and your clipboard there. This has got the kind of latest display on as well. Really nice vans to drive. I always say it, but I could use one of these every day. They're just superb. Great engine. And let's just before I go too far, there you go. Power folding door mirrors. Real torquey engine. Nice looking van as well. Good looking thing from the outside. Front and rear parking sensors. This would make a great vehicle to convert to a camper van. the Citroen Relay that I videoed last week. A chap came from miles away to buy that. He's going to convert that to a camper van. But this is really, really clean, as you would expect from a vehicle registered February 2019, I suppose. It's mint inside. Let's just get that. Bit of a time crunch today. The rain, the day's got away from me, and I'm not sure what the motorway will be like at this time, but we'll see. As I say, just great to drive. Fantastic road holding. It's a more comfortable ride than a lot of vehicles that are on the road today. Although I was going to say, like that one in front, but I have a soft spot for smart cars. Old chap in that one. All you need. Multifunction steering wheel. If we get time, if the lights change or anything, I'll just show you. I think it's height and reach adjustable. We've got cruise control on the left hand side here, and your audio controls as well. Indicators on the left, wipers on the right, lights down here. You've got your door mirror switch there, electric windows here. Real good specification. One of those that a firm believer, so long as you put your indicator on, you can just pull out in front of people. Mirror signal maneuver without the mirror bit. I've got the heater on full blast. It's really good. It's cold out there today. Got plenty of cup holders all over the place. A big flask holder, a big bottle holder, and a large door pocket on each door. All Rover 216 SI there. Here we go. Chopper obviously only indicates when he pulls out directly in front of you. Just after he manoeuvres. So 6-speed box, great Ford gearbox. It's just a lovely thing to drive. Great position, you can see over everybody in front. Here we go. It's obviously chap in front there, a bit colourblind. Can't see red lights. There you go. So height and reach adjustable steering wheel. We'll do a fly past on the motorway, just make sure it's not jam-packed, and try and get up to speed, 70 miles an hour. Of course, these days vans are fantastic. This has got the bulkhead there, somewhere to hang your coat on as well. And so, as I say, the heater's on full blast at the moment, but it's nice and warm. We're not heating all the cargo up, all the load space, and that's the same in the summer as well, cooling the driver's compartment down. They're so nippy, and I think it's probably because you've got a commanding view of the road that you feel more secure in it, and you probably drive faster. We can see what's going on all around. So we've got a side loading door. It's resin coated in the rear load area, so it's nice and clean. Nice and easy to clean. It's also easy to slide stuff in. This one's not been abused at all. No gouges in it, no scratches, and it's also ply lined as well. I want Ford to make gearboxes for every car. Some are awful. I remember when Vauxhall gearboxes used to be good. Ford always used to be better. But I remember when I started, I went to work for Peugeot, and I couldn't believe it. Like, it was awful. This look, just like. I often think that certainly manufacturers these days, they share the chassis, the floor pans and everything, and Renault, Citroën and all that lot, they make, and Nissan share the same engines in some vehicles. But I always think that instead of shutting the plants down in the UK, Ford should have just gone to everybody else and said, look, your gearboxes are crap, we'll make them for you, and we'd still have a good export of gearboxes over here. Right, let's have a look. We're in 6th there, I think. Yeah, just make sure. It's so good. We're in 6th, so that's set, and we want plus, so click that up there. 66 miles an hour. Just get it up to 70. So switch on there, top right one. That's set plus there by knocking that up in the center. If you have to brake like I do now, I can press in, just drop in here, but I can press in and that's resume. It's resuming the speed I was doing before. See if I can get up to 70. In 6, we're doing 1700 revs, nice and quiet. Of course, with the bulkhead, you've no drumming from the back. Nice and comfortable, good suspension, and that's bearing in mind that there's nothing in this vehicle. There's no load in the back, so they tend to drive better when there is load in, and you don't get the kind of bunny hopping at the back feeling that you do get sometimes. The heat is so good. After being freezing before, I'm going to have to turn it down because I'm sweltering. So we've got CD radio, we've got Bluetooth hands-free, you've got here fantastic stereo for a van. It's again Ford probably sync system, I'm not sure which one it is, but can be quite complicated to use. Ford very kindly a few months ago lent me a Fiesta to do a video on the Sync 4 system, which did absolutely everything, and it took me a while to work that one out. CD in front in his Range Rover, at least let's hope that's his name, not his personality. But we're as high up as CD is there in our driving position, and they're just so easy to drive. Well, Ford invited me to Cholmondeley Castle to drive the new Ford Fiesta ST when it came out around the track. Unfortunately, they also took me to they took me out the night before, and there was a lot of free champagne flowing about. Before the champagne started flowing, I got to drive one of the kind of sports vans, which was a Transit with Viper stripes on, and it was absolutely brilliant. I didn't get to drive the ST because I had a massive hangover the next morning, which is not big or clever, I know. Right, we'll go through the windy bits here. Bearing in mind, like I said, there's no weight in the back. I ain't testing the suspension on this really, looking for knocks or anything. It's under warranty for 27 months, did I say before? But here we go. Right, left, right, left. And if you just apply a little bit of acceleration when you're turning the steering wheel, it gets around the corner all the quicker. I really like driving these. That's all my camera gear sliding about in the back. The one thing about the resin flooring is it's quite easy to shove any load that you have forward. Unfortunately, it's also quite easy for it to slide back as well, especially in a camera case. So here we go. I mean, I'll finish the test drive there. It's a great van. It's what you'd expect being brand new. We are going to try and work out some finance packages on these, because when you think you certainly won't have anything to spend except servicing for the next 2 years. It'll have a great residual value when you come to sell it. They're always sought after if you keep it clean. It's in a different colour. It's not a white van, so they command a premium. So we'll see what we can do on the finance side of things, and we do have a source where we can get hopefully as many of these as we want in the same condition as this, and keep updating them. So thanks for watching. I'll just show you how to set the pay your mobile, delete a mobile, and also stream audio through the system. But as soon as I can pull over in one of these little laybys, and catch you in the next video, which I think at this moment in time will be a Discovery van. Very, very unusual vehicle, so watch out for that. If this video has been of any use to you, then please give it a like and subscribe. It helps a lot. And you can also have a look at our web store by clicking on our website www.ggcars.co.uk. Thanks very much for watching.